Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoom with Google Calendar step by step clearly. To connect Zoom with Google Calendar, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zoom website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the integration options. Locate the Google Calendar integration and click on it. You may need to authorize Zoom to access your Google account. Click the Sign In with Google button. A new window will pop up prompting you to log into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and follow the authorization steps. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Zoom settings page. At this point, ensure that the Google Calendar integration is enabled. Now, open your Google Calendar in a new tab. Create a new event by clicking on the desired date and time. In the event details, look for the option to add a conferencing tool. Select Zoom from the available options. If prompted, allow Google Calendar to access your Zoom account details. Customize your event by adding a title, guests, and any additional information. Ensure that the correct Zoom meeting settings are in place. After filling in all necessary details, click on Save. Your Zoom meeting will now be linked to the Google Calendar event. You can access the meeting link directly from your calendar. Repeat this process for any additional meetings you wish to schedule. This integration streamlines your scheduling process, making it easier to manage meetings. Now you are successfully connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.